Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OpenDoor Data via broker integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with OpenDoor Data via broker integrations, start by identifying your broker's specific integration process. Visit the OpenDoor Data website to review the documentation related to broker integrations. Create an account with OpenDoor Data if you haven't already. Log into your OpenDoor Data account. Locate the API key section within your account settings. Generate a new API key if one does not already exist. Copy your API key to a secure location for future use. Next, gather the necessary details from your broker's system. You'll need the broker's API endpoint and any additional required authentication parameters. Consult your broker's documentation for specifics on how to reach their API. Once you have the required information, open your preferred API client or development environment. Set up a new project, naming it according to your preference. In the project, create a new request for the OpenDoor Data API. Input the API endpoint that you gathered from your broker. In the headers section, input your API key. Include any other required headers as specified in your broker's documentation. Choose the correct HTTP method based on the type of request you're making, either GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE. Fill in the body of the request if necessary, based on the API requirements. Double-check all the inputs to ensure accuracy. Execute the request to initiate the authentication process. Review the response returned by the OpenDoor Data API. If successful, you will receive an authentication token or confirmation. Save this authentication token securely for subsequent API requests. In case of errors, consult the error message for troubleshooting guidance. Adjust your request parameters based on the feedback provided in the error message. Repeat the request process until authentication is successful. With successful authentication, you can now start making additional requests to access OpenDoor Data. Ensure you maintain the API key and token securely to avoid unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.